Ever wondered why things are so cheap on Black Friday? This day of dramatically reduced prices, traditionally following Thanksgiving in the United States, has become a global phenomenon. It's a day shrouded in intrigue, with bargains popping up like mushrooms after a rain. It's when the frenzy of shopping hits a fever pitch, with customers eager to snatch the best deals. But what exactly is Black Friday, and why has it become a shopping extravaganza? It's a day when prices drop dramatically, but why does this happen? To understand Black Friday, one must first grasp the fundamentals of supply and demand. Now, let's delve into the economics of this shopping phenomenon. Black Friday for retailers is not just about offering massive discounts. It's an opportunity to clear out inventory before the year ends, making room for new products. This is where the principle of supply and demand comes into play. On one hand, retailers have a large supply of goods, some of which may have been sitting on shelves for a while. On the other hand, consumers are looking for deals, wanting to get the most bang for their buck. To bridge the gap, retailers reduce prices, making products more appealing. This strategy works twofold. First, it helps retailers move stock quickly, freeing up storage space and reducing costs associated with holding on to unsold merchandise. Second, it pulls in customers who are more likely to buy additional items that may not be on sale, but there's a catch. While it may seem like retailers are taking a hit with these price slashes, they're actually banking on volume sales. The idea is to sell a lot and fast. Even with smaller profit margins, the sheer volume of sales can lead to substantial profits. So yes, Black Friday is a day when prices plummet and consumers rejoice. But behind the scenes, it's a carefully orchestrated dance between supply and demand, inventory management and strategic pricing. So retailers drop prices to attract customers, but there's more to it than just economics. Black Friday is not just about economics, it's also a psychological game. The allure of Black Friday lies not just in the slashed prices, but in the psychological tricks that retailers employ. One of the most effective strategies is the use of limited time offers and promoting the day as a once-a-year opportunity. This creates a sense of urgency among shoppers. The ticking clock, the dwindling stock, it all adds up to a feeling that if you don't act now, you'll miss out. This fear of missing out, or FOMO as it's commonly known, is a powerful motivator. It pushes us to make purchases we might otherwise think twice about. Retailers know this, and they use it to their advantage, creating a shopping frenzy that leads to increased sales. The psychological pull is so strong that even the most rational consumers can find themselves swept up in the excitement. So, the thrill of the chase and the fear of missing out drive people to spend more on Black Friday. Now that we know why things are cheaper on Black Friday, how can we get the best deals? Well, scoring the best deals on Black Friday requires a bit of preparation. Let's dive into a few tips. First, research is key. Start by identifying the products you'd like to purchase, and then compare prices across different stores. This will give you an idea of what a good deal looks like. Next, set a budget. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of the sale. By setting a budget, you ensure you only spend what you can afford and avoid impulse buys. Lastly, be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. While Black Friday is known for its great deals, not every sale is a bargain. Sometimes retailers inflate original prices to make discounts appear larger. With these tips in mind, you can navigate the Black Friday sales like a pro. But what if we told you there's another day of deals just around the corner? Yes, you heard it right. It's called Cyber Monday, and it's a shopping event that takes place the Monday following Black Friday. Originally coined in 2005, Cyber Monday has quickly grown into a significant online shopping event. It's the day when e-commerce platforms pull out all the stops, offering deals that rival, and sometimes even surpass, those of Black Friday. While Black Friday might be the king of general merchandise, Cyber Monday has carved out a niche for itself, particularly in the tech sector. So if you're eyeing that latest smartphone, gaming console, or smart TV, Cyber Monday could be your best bet. The beauty of Cyber Monday lies in its convenience. No need to brave the crowds or even step out of your house. All the deals are just a click away. So whether you're a fan of the Black Friday frenzy or prefer the online convenience of Cyber Monday, there are plenty of opportunities to save.